How to make your Twitter account private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make your account private on Twitter or how you can make your Twitter account private. Now, either way, what you'll need to do is first open up the Twitter app and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to make private. Now, as you can see, I've logged into my account. All you need to do first is tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. At the top left, you can see a little profile icon. Simply tap on it, and here what you need to do, you'll get a list of options that you can see. At the bottom, you can see the settings and support. Tap on it and head into settings and privacy option. Once on settings and privacy, you can see the fifth option that you can see on the screen, privacy and safety. Simply tap on privacy and safety, and the first option, audience and tagging, head into it. Now, once on audience and tagging, you can see the option protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Simply toggle this switch on and your account will be set private, and only your current followers and people you approve will be able to see your tweets. So this way you can make your Twitter account private. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.